Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, we are now going to start our live session trading binary option. If you're just coming in and you don't know what we're doing, basically I'm just trading binary option and giving some signal by the way. So, if you want to follow me, you find link below the video or link in the chat so you can join me and trade together with me. Okay? Now I will start to prepare everything as normal. It will take a little while, a couple of minutes, so just bear with me while I do so. It's a little dark here today, but I think you see me well by the way. The most important is what's happening around here. So, like I said, just bear with me. I am now going to fix here now so we can see the chat and all this good stuff. So let's see now. Set down the sound. There. Like that. Let's see. We are very soon going to start this live session. I'm still preparing a few things here. And there. Creating options live. There. Let's share the screen. Cool. Then I will log in and get started with some trades. Let's push log out so you make sure that you have everything in order. There. And welcome, Radical. Nice to see you. Okay, we got an error here now. Let's do. No, actually looks like we are logged in. Let's see. There. Okay. Then close some of these peers that is not giving good rates. Let's stick to the ones that give more than 70. Hopefully today also we can fill up the screen with these type of pairs. Let's see. Okay, that's what we have. This one we can add. Let's see how it is for me. I will get started very soon, so then we will see. By the way, I know that they are working on a forex system. They use a lot of time on that. There will be with MetaTrader 4 and 5. Okay, I think we have more than enough pairs there now, so we don't need more. For now, things for me at least looks to be nice. First pair going on, we see a strong trend going upwards. We can't trade this resistance here because probably it will break. So let's move on. We are here testing this wall support, no turn resistance. But we see him go from higher to higher to higher, so we will not trade that one. Let's move on. We do have a decent, strong support down there. Let's see how that looks like. If we have, let me change for 100 if we take a trade. Let's see. I believe that the entry should be between these two areas. That seems good from the past. So that might be the area we like to go. Let's move the lines up here for now. By the way, today also we are live in Academy. We are live at Rumble. We are live at Discord, and we are live here in YouTube. And if you are new people coming in, you find link in the chat or below the video for this broker if you want to follow my trades. It's much more fun when you can be trading together with me, at least with a demo account. Now let's see. For now, we are not there yet. Let's follow and see. So today is a Tuesday. We are going to be trading today and more 3 days this week. Okay, I don't think we wait more for this. This I can do. This I can do. I can when I go, then I can zoom in. That's something I can do. Of course, depends how fast the trades come. Sometimes I don't have time for that. But yes, in the cases where we're sitting waiting, yes, for sure. Now here we have a trend going downwards. I think here, let's see how this one looks like. I think we still have some room left here. So I think in between here we might be able to take a trade. We have quite a lot of space left, so probably 3-4 more minutes here we can take a trade down here. Let's see. Let's see. And when I take a trade, as always, I'll take the trade and I will move on to start to see look at the trades. That is basically for 2 reasons. I hate I hate visit looking my trades because I get anxious. So I do not like to follow my own trades after I've taken them. I do put them up so you can follow them in the way you see if you are in profit or not. But I will also do that so you can get as many trades as possible in my live session. So when I take a trade, I will just move on to the next and start to look for new trading opportunities. So that is basically the 2 reasons why. Because one thing I'm not this perfect trader that is keeping calm. That's why you see me trading only with $100 because I am an emotional trader, but I managed to trade emotion without emotions with $100, but still I don't like to follow. That is just me, at least. Plus, of course, when you're trading live, there are not so many people on YouTube, but added with all the networks I'm live at the same time. Also, there are not so many in Discord, but Academy, we typically have between 20 up to 50 people. And in, I do not follow the chat there, by the way, so good, because I get it's much talk in between there, so it's not so clear. Rumble, I think, will be a good one also going forward. Now let's see. Now start to tightening up here. I think this will be the last bar. I will take a trade. Let's see. If you don't get this one to come down here now, I think we'll stop and move on. Because the squeeze now start to be serious. So let's see. Once again, if you're just watching, sign up with a broker. It takes you 2 minutes and you can follow my trades after. Just sign up with a demo account and you will have much more fun. I will now just move on. This is not doing nothing for us. GBP here, okay. We will not trade the bottom because we see this crazy spikes here. And I don't see any clear area in the top we can take trades either, so we'll move on. I'm not sure what is different from you here. Is the price different? There, you told me in the start that it was a little laggy. For me, it's not. What it can be, because most of the bars here is stored in your cache, in your browser. First of all, make sure that you're not looking at OTC pair. Just so you have that clear, that it's not an OTC pair, because yes, that is very different. Because of course we should have exactly the same. There should not be any difference between you and me there. I think basically what you need to do, if it's not looking the same for you, and as it is laggy, because it's not laggy for me, you probably should restart your computer. That's the only thing I can think about. Because like that, for me, it's zero lag today. Of course, I have not taken the trades. I can't say how that will turn out. But for the bars and everything and how fast it loads up, it's normal fast today. So other than that, that's the only thing I can say. Because yes, we should have exactly the same. Up here we might have something. I believe, oh yeah, can be something like that. Let's see. Yeah, that is not supposed to be. Of course not. So I don't know what to tell you there, because the price of course is the same for me as it should be for you. But the thing is, when we are, here is the thing, if you look in the past, should be exactly the same. Here I think it what it can be. Every bar, we know, for example, when we came into this one, we came into this bar, right? Every bar here should be 100% correct for you, right? But from here, every bar we see from here is stored in our cache on the computer, okay? And if, for example, a computer is slow, you might, yes, the current price will be the same, right? But how he store past lines like this one, no, you just have two, right? But if you sit waiting here for 10 minutes, it will be harder and harder for the computer to because everything is saved in your browser, okay, in your cache, in your memory. And then mistakes when he saved the past bar can be mistakes if it's lagging and things. That's the only thing I can think of that could happen. But these ones here, they should be perfect for you because they are not stored in our memory. Okay? So I don't think it should affect any of your trading. It's just past bars. Yes, they can be stored wrong. It's sometimes, for example, what happened for me is that a bar, for example, can be completely gone also. And when you do, what you can do, just right click and reset chart. Okay, so that should fix it. Then if you and me reset the chart, for example, then we will have the exact same thing. Okay. Now let's see here. We did not get up all the way up there. Yeah, but to try to push reset and then should be okay. By the way, I don't believe that is something that would infect the trading part because the current price should still be correct. It's just past bars that is not saved correctly. Can even be that the sum is wrong for me also. So next time, just tell me and you can just push the reset chart and we should have exactly the same. Like here, for example, you can see this bar what's there, but open down here, right? That is of course wrong, but it's the cache that we have is not following up exactly. But if you reset, it should be correct. Now let's concentrate about trading. Okay, I take a trade there. I was patient, I waited a little, so I got a little better entry. Now let's see, so I didn't go in directly. Now let's hope we can get a winner. Continue looking for some trades while we wait that one. Like I said, I stayed patient in this one. I did not take trade right away he crossed the line. I could have lost a trade on it, but in that way I got a little better entry, so I'm very satisfied with that. So win or lose, at least I got in the best I could on this one. Now let's see here. I start to like the one up here also. I'll take a look. We see, yes, he was higher here. Last 5 seconds, are we really going to lose that trade? We lost that trade in the last 5 seconds. He was in the money all the way. Let's see. Oh yeah, was a clear loser. By the way, I did my job there, so I'm not going to be sad for this one. When I get the entries I like, then I don't think more about it. And was no lag when I did take the trades, so I'm satisfied with that also. let's see. For this one here, I think I will take a very tight area to enter. And that's the thing, of course, the times when we come up here, we get some strong price action because it's an area where many are trading for. And then when he break, he shoot very hard. So we are, of course, in. There will always be crazy movement when you come close to our lines. Like for example, now you see that he's already starting to move fast because there are many trading. That's why I'm not taking a trade yet, because I'm scared to get a bad entry, because he shoot up here and he moves so fast. So I'm still waiting, because if I take a trade, I get an entry down here. I don't want that. So I did not enter here, but yes, it was an entry area. And if I'm taken, looks like I could have won it. But could have, wish have, that it's not nothing we can count on. Did you take a trade up here, Radical? Okay. Then you looks like you have done quite good. Looks like you are deep in money, but don't count your because it's still moving very fast. He can easily shoot up still. He's getting close now. I think you have won that one. Very good. Ay, I got entry down here. I knew it because he's moving so fast that it's crazy. Okay, now I move on. Wow. Here, for example, I'm pretty sure don't looks like this. Do you see? See this bar here? I'm pretty sure this is not the case. So here I will reset the chart and let's take a look. Okay, now it looks even worse. This one I'm not able to repair. I don't know what. Let's go to this one we are in. And let's go back, take a look. This one, for some reason, I'm not able to load perfectly. So let's go to the first. Do I really lose both this trade? I have a very bad start today. I lost this one the last second. And this one was a terrible entry. I will change my bid for 200. I am not having a good day. I am down $300 in now. But that we will fix soon. So now I'm trading at 200 at least till I turn profit. Now let's take a look down there. I'm thinking about entering here. Let's see if I have time to market. If you come down there, I will take the trade. I think an entry for me should be from there to there. That will be my entry. Yeah, it's very normal. You see here also, you see much pressure. It's because when we come close to this, if I can tell you like this, if you change this for 30 minutes, for example, you'll see a different. You see, don't move so fast. And if you change up to 4 hours, almost no movement. But when you take it to 1 minute, looks like it's completely crazy. The thing is, this is also traded on Forex at the same time. And when we come, many people in Forex, they put in their entries, because basically it's the Forex market that is controlling these bars, okay? And when you come to the support resistance, you have a lot of people that either do buy sells, or if cross, they do sell trades. And that means you will get a crazy movement, especially as we're down as low as 1 minute. These bars looks like they are going crazy. But if you take it on the 4 hour, it's like they almost don't move. That's the thing. So probably on the 4 hour, the area from here up to maybe around up here, or maybe even up here, all this here can be one big support area when we talk about 4 hours. So there you don't even looks like it's moving. But yes, of course, when you come to 1 minute, he will be like this, like crazy. It's completely normal because in Forex, a lot of people are doing trading on specific support and resistance. For all I know, this might not even be a big support area when it comes to the 4 hour. So that's the thing. But if it is a big area, then when it comes down to 1 minute, he will shoot up down like crazy. Okay, so I hope that clears up for you why he do that. Have nothing to do with our trading. These bars here are nothing to do with our trading. We are just a tiny fish on this. This come to the Forex people that are trading big. Okay. We are just a tiny fish. If this was the OTC market, then it's another scenario. Then we are controlling the market, because then we are trading on the broker area. Then it's our trades. Then yes, let's say you and me go in with 200 each, for example. Then that start to be something. Then we start to put some, and then all my academy members also take the same trade. Then it's not even possible. We will lose every single trade. Because on OTC, the broker always wins. That's why I always say if you're just trading with $1, you're actually better off trading on OTC, because there you're getting like 98%. But when you trade with, but if you're following my trades, $1 will not change nothing, because that's why I don't trade OTC. Because we will probably lose every single trade. Now let's see. We do have a downward trend, but it's very high up. We see it's something like market. That looks perfect, but something like this. We still have a lot of space here. Yes, I'm aware of that it's not perfect here, but this is how fits best with the current bars. We could also say it's something like this. It's not clear yet, but to be safe, we put it like this. I think we move on. So today I have not had the best start. I have 3 losers from the start today. That is quite terrible, but nothing we can do with. This is how it is sometimes. We can start a session with 3 losers, but we turn profit in the end. But like I said before, if I trade by myself, if I have 3 losers from the start, I typically just stop and maybe start trading a little later on the day. Because you get some emotions, you get annoyed when you have some losers, and then it's very important when you start your next trade section that you start with clean papers. You don't think about your past trades. Typically what I do, I don't even show this. I do like this, don't even show it. Just forget about it and start to continue. But as I'm trading live, I don't have that luxurious. I just need to continue. That's why I adopted and I go up to $200 trades when this happens, because I do know that my win rate is 7-8 wins out of 10 trades. So basically I just got the 3 losers first. Does not mean that the next trade is not going to be a loser. Of course it can. Now let's see. Start with tight tails, as I think we just continue. Okay. Here we are in a top area here. I'm considering, let's see. Let's see here now. We have passed it a few times before. I am not, and I see he go higher, so I don't think I will take this one. He's now retesting, looks like. So this turn into support was actually a very strong resistance here. And here also you can see, here he broke, and he broke spectacularly. You see, it had nothing to do with us, we was not even here. So this is on the Forex market area, so you can see he broke it here. So now this resistance did turn into support. And yes, when he break, you get these big moves. Because then all the sellers or all the buyers will have then lost, depending on if you're up or down. Then he will have, suddenly he can start buying a lot in a bigger area, and he go much higher up. So that is completely normal. Now I'm looking down here. Let's have a look. See, here broke it a lot of times. I'm not so confident here. We just have had 3 tests. See, I've gone below it many times. I really is not secure about this area here. I don't have a good feeling about it, so I think I'll skip it. I try to pick out a very good trade now because I would love to have a winner on the next. I will take a trade here, entry there. I did not mark it, but it is a good entry. I'll move on. Like I said, it's not always I have time to mark. He might be in the position when I come. So that's the, when you're in Discord, you have a small advantage there that you can see things through live, because in YouTube there are a small delay. I'm not so sure how it is in Rumble, because I'm not following there so much. Now down here, let me mark it. Let's see. But yeah, sometimes when you come into bar, we might have the perfect entry, so I don't have time to mark it. When I have chance, I do it. I have not decided here yet. I'll need to see the trend line also. There I think it's too much squeeze for me, so I will not enter down here. It is a nice one, but I think it's too scary. By the way, did we win the trade? Good, we won that one. That is 156. Let's put that into the calculation. That's good. The thing is that's one thing we like to see, that most of the time we lose the last second, but when we can get it the last second, you know what, we take it. Good to see that we can have some luck also. Me personally did not follow, but I think I got a quite decent entry. So here you see he's starting to break downwards, so that's why we did not go in here. Looks like now let's see. Okay, so you have 2 wins and 2 losses. Okay. I need basically 1 more win and I'm in 0 for the day. Now let's see here, same going on here. We have too much squeeze for me to be interested to go in here. I don't like that. Now let's see down here. We have no test from before, but we know from the past that this area down here is the stronger one. See here, let's mark it and see. I will I would love to see at least one test of it. I'm talking now about the area down there. We can draw it a little higher up. That's it. He's now going more like this area. That's it. I would like to see him test one time. And then I would like him to go at least up to this level. Let's see. I will mark, but I'm not okay. Here he broke it. Here it will lower than I've seen before. So I think I skip. I don't want to try this one. Only because of that. So I will move on. Now let's see here. This is lines he had for resistant. Now looks like turn support. Let's see how this looks like. I don't like it so much because you see here, it broke right up, broke right down, easily broke all the way up here, then shoot up again. This is not a strong one, we are not trading this one. Here, in the other hand, let's see. It's moving quite fast. I think of entry, probably between there. I'm not going in yet. I'm now going to mark, see how it looks like first. This looks not nice, but not bad either. I think I enter here can be good enough. So let's see. Oh, he should pass it, so I did not take it. I did not take it. Actually, he did not shoot pass, he just came down to that level. I think that would be a very good entry if I done it. Looks like got a new chance there on life, so they take it. Now let's see how that will play out. I believe I got a quite nice entry. Says my trades won. Did that? What happened there? Can't be done so fast. No, it's not. Okay, so mining. Let's do that, and I'll continue. The ones that follow me, like I said before, many times before, I do some mining on my cell phones. So that's something that takes me probably like 2 minutes a day. Let's see. Just turn on this and I will continue. We are making some dollar each day on this mining also. Like I said before, it's not about how much you earn each thing, it's about what everything adds up to the end. So there, let's put that one here so you can follow the chat. Okay, we won that one, sweet, and congratulations for you also, Radical. That means you are in profit. So 156, I am in profit also. So that is nice. I will now change for $100 trades. And I also have some cashback up here that I can collect after. So yeah, we are doing quite okay. We got profit in Monday and we are in profit for Tuesday. So let's continue this way. Well, let's see. Typically I'm used to a little more profit, but it's okay. At least we are turning profit again, and that's the most important. Now here I do not see anything. I also try to be very selective about my trades. Here, for example, I don't like it because we see he's going higher and higher. I will reset this chart, by the way. I do not see a perfect entry here because we do have this trend. We knew this was going to break. Now, okay, down in this region, that could be interesting, but I don't think we're going to go down there, do we? Let's see. I will say our entry between there and here would be nice. If you can get that low, and do you know what? We might do it. I will say down here. Of course, you can win a lot around here because we do have a strong one here. I'm conflicted if I should take the entry from here. It's good here, good here. I am conflicted now. It's so nice here. This is a very good one. Do you know what? I think I take it from here. Any entry in between here. Let's go. Let's go for it. I don't think I have ever had a so huge area of entry, but yes, I think my plan will be as following. I will take an entry when cross the line, and if you go very far down, maybe if the bar is not shooting too fast, I might take one more. Yeah, I think that will be my plan. Yes, it's a risk if we continue downwards that we can lose 2 trades, but I am willing to take that trade. That's the risk, because I now did go down to $100 instead of 200. Let's go. Let's see. I think that's what I will do here now. So let's see if we can get down there. I will wait for this one as long as he don't start to break too high up. I will say if we go past, let's make this one a yellow line. Let's select this yellow line. If we cross and open a bar about this yellow line up here, we will continue look forward. But as long as we stay in between here, we are looking for trade on there. Let's do like that. So here also you see, for example, he was here and he opened the bar down. That is obviously wrong, but it's the every bar that is saved in my cache here, they might be a little wrong. So let's see. So you see we have 2 there. Let's reset and see. Looks like this actually. Okay. Now he did retest this one up there. This looks to be a strong resistance. I'm not going to trade it, but if we continue like this, maybe we start trading it because see here, all these 3 here actually start to look good. Maybe that was a mistake. I should have traded up there also. If this bar can relax a little, I think I will take one more line up there and trade it. Okay, it did go higher, so that means it was a good, we did not start trading it. Like I said, if we close it on here, I would have taken, but now, as he did go this much higher, I'm not interested up there more. But let's see, we are still ready for the one down here. Huge area. Let's see. I think we move on. Looks like he wants to go upwards. Now let's see. No. I'll say why I continue. Sometimes I just say no. Okay, no, it's not even showing. Let's do a reload and see if this one can come up again for us. Sometimes I just move on and I don't explain why. Here, for example, I will show you why I'm not interested. First of all, you see that you have a trend. Second of all, I did see he did go higher than any of the other bars, and that shows me that this area here was already broken because you have a pressure with this trend line. So when I say no, it's just because I see we have a trend line. I see already even that it was not broken on this bar. I did see he did go higher. That showed me that this resistance was weak, and this trend line is stronger, and he will break upwards. Sometimes I'm not explained properly. Plus, we can see now this one have turned into 63, so I'll remove this one, and I'll remove this one. And we will remove this one. So you see, through our live session, 3 of them have turned to 63. Now let's see down here if this looks nice. Before I do anything, I want to see if you have a trend downwards. Let me see. Looks like we don't. These two are outside of it, so we don't have a trend downwards. Okay. I will say then let me take 2 lines. Yeah, something like there. I believe that looks pretty nice for me. I will take a trade here easily. We don't have any trend to worry about. This area looks nice, but maybe the move is already done. Looks like he started to go upwards. But yeah, here was the area. Right away, I would say after this bar here, we could have taken trades here, but I was too late to do that. There, let's see if you come down here again, we'll take it. But for me, it looks like he have broken this resistance here, so he will continue upwards. So I think you're just wasting our time looking at this one. And also, hey, it's a 68%. We are not trading it, by the way. Now let's see here. Okay, we do have a trend going downwards. Let's mark it. Something like this. We still have some space, but not for long. So I will say this and maybe one more bar. We can take a trade on here, but then we need to stop. This is the last bar. If this one here now can come down here, we'll take it, but not the next. So let's wait and see what will happen. How much time do we have left, by the way? We have 47 minutes. I would say we have like 10 minutes before I start to do my ending speech. Okay, looks like he's breaking this trend line. Yeah, I will consider this broken. I know I say that we need 2, but as it did go so high up. Now let's see in the bottom here. I would say an entry between there and here. That could be something. Little tight. Let's see. Let's zoom in. There. That could be an entry for me. Just tested 3 times, but I think, of course, looks like most stop around here. Let's see how it looks like if I draw a line there also. Every bar is closed above it. Let's do like this. Let's remove this one. We do have a quite big space. I think I will do the same like the another one. I will take a trade right away across the line. And if he starts to go too much down, I take one more. Let's go. Now looks like we're forming a trend downwards, so that is positive in a way that we might get the test. Let's see. I will mark this one from the top about there. Looks like his cloak is outside now, so we can remove this trend line. Yeah. Then this trend line also work as resistance, so let's see. Support them in. Okay, we do have support here. I hope we can break it. Looks like he's doing it right now. We will also have a support around in this region. And the next will be our area. So he needs to break through 2 basically to come up down to us. Okay, it's quite strong here. And we see that that was a very strong apple. Should we trade here? No. No. He proved now that we should not do it. At least he did break too much down for me that I will not want to take a trade in that area. I hope now he can break this line there, go in lower. How are we in time? We just have, I think we still should be able to take it in one more trade. That would be nice for my case at least. But if nothing happen here very soon now, I think we need to move on because I really would like to have one more trade today. Here we have a downward trend going to a support. I don't want that. Far away from everything. Let's move on. Okay, trend going downwards, down to a support. We don't want that. Not a clear area for support or resistance. Let's move on. Down here, that looks quite nice, I would say. Let's see if I can be fast. I take it. I'm in. Let's go. He was far below, but he was still within the area, so let's see. Okay, what was this? I don't see a trend going upwards. I will not say that this looks so nice. Nothing that I would want to touch. Up here, that looks pretty nice. Let's see. I would say I enter between there and there. I will take that. I will take a sell there. We do have a trend upwards. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, I'll take a trade there. Let's see. Did we lose or win the trade? We won it. Yes, yes, yes. That I'll take. Then we have 78. Then I'm more than $100 profit. I'll take that. Now up in this region here, I think, let's see how we are in time. I don't know, you start to have some profit there, you see. We can't stop right away, you have profit. Now we are starting to get our win rate, you know. It's what I'm telling, that we just need to trust that we have a 7-8 wins out of 10 trades. So we can't stop after one win, because then we don't get the correct average. Now let's see. We have now 54, so a couple of more minutes. Let's do that on this one. Let's take this bar and one more, and then we'll see what we do. So I did not take it yet. Oh, here shoot bar, not in. I don't take it. So let's move on. I will see if I can find something else. Okay, he's down in our area here now. Let's see. But they have a strong trend downwards. Let's wait first. I need to mark it. Very strong downwards. We can't do that. Maybe if we come down to that area. Still is very, let me see. Oh, we can take, no, we don't, you should pass it, so we don't take it. Okay. Not taking that one. 4-2, do you know what? That is very good, Radical. Me myself, I am at, now we'll collect this cash back up here. Let's collect it, $16. plus 16. I am at $106 profit. Nothing crazy, but it is profit. So I think we can call it quit there. We had another successful profit day. I take that. Nothing crazy, but it's still good. We turn profit, and we should be happy with that. So let's hope we start the live session a little better tomorrow, because we started this one a little bad, but at least we turn profit in the end. So if you can just get good trades from the start, we can start to see like $200, $300, $400 profit, and I'm more happy with that. My target basically for each live session I have is to turn $500 and more profit. That is always my target when I'm trading. So let's see if we can get a $500 day tomorrow. That is good. Profit every day, we can live with that. But let's see tomorrow. If you can get a little better start, I think we can start to see some $500 days, because that's what I typically have in my live sessions is 500 or more. So let's get back into that wagon. So, by the way, if you want to join me or to trade together with me, make sure you subscribe, turn the bell notification on, and also sign up with the broker that you see that I'm using. You'll find it in the chat or below the video. Start with a demo account and then move on to a real account if you feel for it, but that will be completely up to you. Also, I will be trading again tomorrow the same time, so make sure you tune in tomorrow same time. I'll trade every Monday to Friday. And Radical, thank you so much for keeping me company in this live session.